people argue the weed barrier is not good. You're putting plastic in the ground and blah, blah, blah. But I argue that the weed barrier gives you a chance to create great soil. So this is a weed barrier, and there was so much Bermuda grass here. And now I just dug down to the weed barrier. This is about, I don't know, a little less than a year since we put these wood chips. So it was wood chips like this, put on top of this weed barrier, on top of Bermuda grass. And you could see that these wood chips are turning into soil. There's earthworms, so the microbiology is passing through the weed barrier because it's woven. So you don't have to worry about that. The only thing you have to worry about is not leaving it for so long that it disintegrates into your ground. But the microbiology can pass right through that. And so if you can't weed in a certain area or it's a pathway, this is a really great way to create awesome soil and break down your mulch, and don't worry about it because the microbiology can pass right through this weed barrier.